Welcome to how to add a UniFi access point to your network. Since there is only one device, I set it up as standalone. I use a phone to set up the UniFi access point. To connect the phone to the switch, I use an adapter. I connect the phone to the network using a cable. Here is the switch. There are 3 cables connected to the switch, each with different colors. The yellow cable connects to the internet. The blue cable connects to the UniFi access point. LAN. PO. UniFi access point. The white cable connects to the phone. LAN to USB adapter. Type C. I use different colored cables for different purposes. Next, I use the phone to add the UniFi access point to the network. Wait to see if the phone detects the access point. Make sure the phone is connected to the internet using a cable. Connections. More connection settings. Ethernet. Connected. My phone is connected to the internet like a computer. To set up the access point you use an app called UniFi Network. Play Store. Search UniFi Network. Install. Installed. This app is responsible for scanning the UniFi access point and setting it up. Next, you open the app to search for and set up the device. UniFi. Continue. Enable. You enable Bluetooth while using the app. One UniFi device found. My phone found the UniFi access point. Tap to set up. Set up without UniFi. Standalone. With only one device, I recommend using standalone mode. Continue anyway. Proceed without UniFi. Proceed anyway. Name your access point. Name. You name the device whatever you want. Next, you set up your own wireless network. Name. Password. I create a new simple wireless network. Next, you create a new password for your device. You are asked to create a complex password. Finish. Adding access point. Takes about 2 minutes to complete. Join UniFi. I have completed the steps to add UniFi access point to the network. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You use this app to view the status of your device or change basic settings. You can change wireless networks, restart your device. Good luck.